have this in my trunk.
The hub?
The whole wheel, the same exact thing. Oh, they actually have all four. That interior is nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bumper. Parts.
It's a 318i.
That's a stick too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, they dashed that. They dashed, didn't they?
This hood's in good shape though.
Huh?
The hood's in good shape. The body overall, actually, there's no like dents in it. It's cool. Yeah, this is a lip. It's red already though.
It goes like this. It's a bolt, and then here's your firewall, and inside it has this little clip that goes kind of like that.
Okay.
So as you tighten, put this bolt as it goes in, these two spread out.
Okay.
Right. So when these two spread out, even though you'll remove these screws or bolts, these will still want to, like, you want to pop them off. So you'll have to, pry them, and then they'll just kind of pop off.
Out,
Okay.
So once this is out, there's a lid here,
right,
and it's held on by two straps. And once those straps,
Could you use like a needle nose to unclamp it?
No, they're literally like the belt straps.
Okay.
It's a strap. It's got a hole in it, and then the other one has these little. The other strap that comes from the top has these little pins that they kind of snap on,
Right.
Okay, gotcha.
And then you just pry it off, and it'll have one little string that just is there from the factory, and you just break that off because there's no way you can remove it without
taking that string off. Okay.
And then the lid, it looks like a lid kind of like this, and then it has some kind of little shape in the center of it. And that lid is easy to come off once you break the straps off.
Okay.
So it shouldn't take more than like 30 minutes max.
Yeah, and then there's another strap on top that holds the it's a metal strap.
Right, that
and
holds
it's kind of like a clamp that goes right over that. You can actually see the
where
shape of it.
Right. I can see where it was at.
Yep, that's it right here. So it goes like that, and then you just pop that off, and this just slide right off.
And these are connection points. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
And each coil is like thicker and tighter together, or depending on size. So that's what controls your speeds, because it'll change in between.
Which one? Yeah.
Sometimes it's that's the issue.
So that's what, when you turn the knob inside, it changes. So sometimes when this goes out, it either won't work at all, or it'll only work on the last speed.
Okay.
So
since all of hers are working all speeds.
Correct. Then that piece is good. If it's not, it's like, I think $20 online.
Okay.
So
this should be an easy fix. All right, cool. Appreciate it.
I didn't get your name.
Nick.
Nick. Okay.
All right, guys. So as you can see, I got the blower motor. Shout outs to Nick for giving me that part. I really appreciate him and his insight. So I will be hitting him up for more info on how to put my car together. But I'm excited, guys. I'm gonna have to clean this up a bit and then remove mine and then install this part. And I'm hoping it will fix the sound issue I had. It's too hot today, so I'm not gonna be doing it today. I'm probably gonna record and film me taking it out as well as installing it maybe tomorrow morning or the following day, just when it's cool outside, because it's too hot right now in California. It's so hot, you guys. It's so hot today. I don't even know what to do, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. It has been one of my dream cars since I was younger. So the fact that I actually have one now and I'm working on it, it's like I can't even describe it. I look forward to working on this car more than anything and having it completed. But as you guys out there who work on your cars know, a car is never done. It's never completed. It's always work to be done on a car. So it's all about getting as close to your vision as possible. And for me, it's definitely an experience. Like, you don't see a lot of girls wanting to work on their cars, and I've always loved cars since I was little. Like, it's always been something I was passionate about and I wanted to learn more about. Like, I'm constantly watching videos on how to rebuild motors, how to clean motors, how to restore parts on your own, how to save money with working on your car. So that's one thing you guys should keep an eye out for. Like, yeah, if you have the money to just buy parts, it's cool, but it's even better if you learn how to build stuff and do stuff on your own. I think it's just, I can respect it more if you work on your car. So yeah, if you guys want to support me, like I said, it would mean a lot to me. If you don't, please at least like this video and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Like, it would mean a lot to me, guys, because I have a goal. I want to reach 50,000 subscribers, and I want to meet that goal. So you guys can help my channel by doing so, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, guys, next video, next vlog, I will be removing my blower motor and installing this one after I've cleaned it up some. There's like a lot of dirt and stuff on it, but it works, so I'm looking forward to that.